The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew.
Glory to you, O Lord.
At that time, Jesus walked by the Sea of Galilee, went up on the mountain, and sat down there. Great crowds came to him, having with them the lame, the blind, the deformed, the mute, and many others. They placed them at his feet, and he cured them. The crowds were amazed when they saw the mute speaking, the deformed made whole, the lame walking, and the blind able to see. And they glorified the God of Israel. Jesus summoned his disciples and said, "My heart is moved with pity for the crowd, for they have been with me now for 3 days and have nothing to eat. I do not want to send them away hungry, for fear they may collapse on the way." The disciples said to him, "Where could we ever get enough bread in this deserted place to satisfy such a crowd?" Jesus said to them, "How many loaves do you have?" 7, they replied, "and a few fish." He ordered the crowd to sit down on the ground. Then he took the 7 loaves and the fish, gave thanks, broke the loaves, and gave them to the disciples, who in turn gave them to the crowds. They all ate and were satisfied. They picked up the fragments left over, 7 baskets full. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid, gayon din na mga kasama natin sa pamamagitan ng live streaming. Sa ating mga pagbasa at sa Ebanghelyo, nagtagpo ang pangangailangan ng tao at ang nag-uumapaw na awa ng Diyos. Human need and the divine mercy. Maraming mga tao ang sumusunod kay Jesus 3 araw na, dala-dala ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay na may karamdaman. Mga bulag, mga pingkaw, mga pipi at bingi, mga nangangailangan. At awang-awa si Jesus sa kalunos-lunos na sitwasyon ng mga taong sumusunod sa Kaniya. Human need and divine love. Nagtagpo at binigyan ni Jesus ng pag-asa ang mga tao. Sila nawala ng malapitan at makapitan, sila'y lumapit kay Jesus. Sa panahon natin ngayon, ganito rin ang kalagayan ng marami sa atin. Wala nang ibang malapitan kung hindi si Jesus. Ang pagkapit sa Kanya at pananalig. May isang detalye sa ating Ebanghelyo na magandang paalala sa atin o isang punto na pwede nating pagnilayan sa mga panahong ito. Yun ay ang tanong ng mga alagad. If you go to the question of the disciples, ang tanong nila kay Jesus, saan tayo kukuha ng tinapay sa ganitong ilang na lugar para lamang sila'y mapakain at mabusog? Maganda yung ginamit na salita sa wikang Ingles. Where could we ever get enough bread in this deserted place to satisfy such a crowd? Yun ang pinag-aalala ng mga alagad. Paano natin sila mapapakain ng sapat? They were worried about their resources. Sila'y nag-aalala sa kanilang kakayanan. How can we feed them? And not just feed them, but how can we satisfy them? That was the worry of the disciples. Hindi naman sa dahil sila'y kulang sa pananampalataya o kaya'y sila'y makasarili, nagiging realistic lang naman sila. Nagiging practical lang naman ng mga alagad. Lord, wala tayong makukunan dito ng pagkain. 5,000 yan, mahigit. Paano natin pakakainin lahat yan? We do not have the resources. We do not have the means. Kahit tayo, gutom din tayo, 3 araw na. That was in their minds. How? And they were worried for their inability to respond to the needs of the people around them. Maya-maya, ang sabi ay, they all ate and were satisfied. So ginamit ulit ni Mateo ang salitang satisfaction. Yun ang pinag-aalala ng mga alagad. How can we satisfy them? And then later on, but they ate and were satisfied. What happened in between the worry and the satisfaction? Jesus. He took the loaves and the fish. He blessed them, gave thanks, broke them, and gave it to everyone. Magandang paalala to sa atin ngayon sa panahong ito na nag-aalala kasi madalas pinangungunahan natin ang grasya at biyaya ng Diyos at ang kakayanan ni Jesus na busugin tayo, na pakinggan ang ating mga panalangin. We all worry about resources. We all worry about how we are to eat or where can we find the money. Papaano na tayo? Pero sa Ebanghelyo, madiin at malinaw na pinapaalaala sa atin ni Jesus, I will satisfy you, not my disciples, not those who give you, but I myself will feed you. Kaya sa misang ito, muli ay balikan natin ang tagpong ito sa Ebanghelyo kasi may sinasabi si Jesus sa ating lahat. I can and I will satisfy you. At yun ang kanyang pangako sa atin. Kaya wag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa at tiwala. Siya ay nagpaparami ng tinapay. He is the God of abundance. He blesses us and He responds to our human needs. Time and again, we realize that God knows. God realizes how much we need, how much we are in need. And every time, He comes to us to satisfy us. Kaya ipagdasal din natin at ihingi din natin ng tawad ang mga pagkakataon na nagduda tayo sa kagandahang loob ng Diyos, sa Kanyang awa at habag. Dahil ang totoo, hindi tayo pababayaan ng Panginoon. God will never abandon or forsake us. He is merciful, He is loving, He is generous. Kaya buong pagtitiwala, walang pagdududa, tanggalin ang pag-aalala, muli ay lumapit tayo kay Jesus sapagkat siya ang magbibigay ng kapunuan at kabusugan sa ating buhay.